Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the zoom test of the SIYI ZT30. The SIYI ZT30 is a high-performance hybrid gimbal payload that integrates 4 sensors: a zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, laser rangefinder, and wide-angle camera, working together efficiently across multiple application scenarios. It features a 640,512 high-resolution thermal imaging sensor, supports up to 1,200-meter high-precision laser ranging, and offers 180 hybrid zoom with 30 optical zoom. In this test, we focus on the ZT30 zoom capabilities. During real flight, it can easily capture details of distant targets with sharp clarity and fast focusing. What's more, the ZT30 comes with an upgraded quick-release damping structure, ensuring smooth and stable video output even under high-mobility flight. This significantly enhances the drone's effectiveness in practical applications such as inspection, mapping, and security. That's the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn more, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.